Hi and welcome. Why is coconut oil good for your hair? In this video, we will explore the benefits of coconut oil for your hair. Be sure to stick around to the end when I'll share with you how I personally use coconut oil on my own hair, and what I combine it with for amazing results. So, why is coconut oil good for your hair? Not only is coconut oil good for your skin and your health, it is also fantastic for your hair. It is a wonderfully natural and chemical-free conditioner for your hair. Coconut oil hair treatment helps by moisturizing and softening your hair beautifully. How to use coconut oil for best results? First, we recommend using quality extra virgin organic coconut oil. Put some coconut oil on your palms and let it melt a bit in your hands. Then apply it to your hair with your hands. Massaging the coconut oil into your scalp and the roots of your hair can give even more benefits. Coconut oil can stimulate hair growth when you massage it into its follicles. It is one secret for you to grow hair fast. And make sure you enjoy this relaxing experience. Luxurious coconut oil moisturizes your hair and scalp and offers vitamins for hair and scalp health. It can also clean your scalp and hair follicles to help hair health and healthy growth. The oil is smooth and makes it easier to brush and detangle your hair. But when should I use coconut oil on my hair? You can use it before you shampoo to prepare your hair. Or after washing, you can use a small amount of coconut oil to add luster and shine to the hair. Used minimally, it can give your hair a healthy shine without looking greasy. Also, how long should you leave it on for? Well, as long as reasonably possible. An evening, or even sleeping with it on your hair through to morning, can give the oil time to work its magic. If it's too greasy, then you can shampoo it off. It's also an ideal time to apply coconut oil to your skin and allow it to be moisturized too. Is coconut oil expensive? No, coconut oil is relatively cheap as a health and beauty product. Please like this video and also subscribe. It makes it easy to find us again. How often should I use coconut oil on my hair? You can easily use coconut oil on your hair once or twice a week. Be flexible and use it more or less for what you feel is best for your hair. As you use it, your hair will tell you if it wants you to use more or if it prefers less. Stay in tune with your body and your hair. What about my split ends? Coconut oil helps prevent split ends and hair breakage. But although coconut oil can help with split ends, it's safer if you trim them off, leaving healthy hair to grow back into. Can coconut oil get rid of dandruff? Great news! Amazing coconut oil can reduce annoying and unsightly dandruff. What about lice? Yuck! Thank goodness coconut oil even helps with lice and insect bites. Coconut oil. It's great for everyone's hair. The trick is to get started. Start with a little and test it out. If you want longer, thicker, and healthier hair, then coconut can be a wonderful addition to your health and self-care routines. How I personally use coconut oil for my hair. I started using it once a week and found that I could use it more. But I found that 3 times a week was a bit much. So twice a week was just right for me. Before starting using coconut oil, my hair was a bit damaged, and I found that mixing coconut oil with a little olive oil really helped me regain and maintain my beautiful strong hair again. Now that I have healthy hair again, I use coconut oil once a week on my hair, and I use cider vinegar a couple of times a week for a final rinse. Cider vinegar is a wonderful final rinse, leaving your hair silky smooth. Would you like to add to this list? What do you do to care for your own hair? Let us know in the comments. And subscribe. It makes it easy to find us again. And also, if you liked this video, scroll down now and enjoy more information in the description below.